For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. And we need to remove our dryer door. So in order to do that, we need to remove the two Phillips head screws right in here on the hinge. So now what we're going to do is just slightly lift up on the door and just wiggle it a little bit. It might be a little difficult to get the door hinge out, but you should be able to get it out. The next thing we need to do is we need to take off this hinge assembly and the door catch assembly, and then we're just going to swap them. So we've got to take out all these screws here, then these 3 screws here, and then just switch them to the opposite side. So now that the screws are out of here, you can just lift the door up and the whole assembly comes right off. Now that we've got that last screw out, this piece comes out. Oops. Now that we've got that last screw out, this one comes off in 2 pieces. So we've got the cover here, and then the door catch right here. So it fit on this way on this side, so all we have to do is just flip it 180 degrees, and we'll just put this underneath here, and put this into place. And you'll see right here on the door catch cover, there are these 2 plastic pieces that stick out on the other side. So you'll want to make sure that the holes line up for those before you screw it in. And once everything lines up well, you can screw everything back down. And same thing on this side, we're just flipping the door hinge 180 degrees. And we're going to line up all the holes for the screws, make sure everything lines up, and that the hinge can open and close just like that. And then we can screw it down. So now that we've got the door hinge switched over, we're going to need to put the door strike on the other side. So we're going to remove all these screws here. To get the door strike off, all you need to do is do those 2 screws, lift it out. We'll rotate it 180 degrees. You got these 2 tabs sticking out. You're going to line up those holes right there so that the strike sits nicely in those holes. And then screw it down. Now we just need to remove the rest of these screws here so that we can get the hinge on. And we're going to transfer these screws from this side to the other side. Now that the door strike is transferred over, we can finally put our door back on. So we're going to line up these two notches right here with the holes in the dryer's frame. And once you have those lined up, the door should sit nicely in there. And now we can screw it down. Now that you've successfully installed the door on the other side, you can close the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.